Video I'm going to show you to get PPSSPP on your phone, no jailbreak or computer needed, guys. So this actually works and it is super insane. So if you like the video, guys, just keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So yeah, it's easy as well. You don't even need to do anything like stupid. So let's go for the video now. So maybe I have the icon, I don't know. Yeah, I don't see it. But anyways, let's get into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead, go to Google, and we're going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to type in ZooMod. So once you get over to this website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in PPSSPP. So as you can see, guys, it should come up. So then just download it, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out, because it actually works. It's super insane. And yeah, I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever, so definitely be sure to give this a try, guys, because it actually works and it is super cool. If you like to use PPSSPP, guys, you're gonna love this. It is super insane, and yeah, it actually works, guys. As you can see right here, I can actually go ahead and play through this, which is super cool. So let me just show you guys right here. So yeah, this is insane, but it actually works, so that is super crazy, guys. If you do want to play PPSSPP games, which is a good library, there's a lot of games, so yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out, because it actually works. It's super insane, guys, and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever, so definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself, get the word out, because it actually works. Yeah, there's a ton of stuff in here. What the heck? Look at that gun. That's cool. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Peace out.